Do you know Michael Jackson?
Yes.
Do you know the clip of Thriller?
Yes.
Well, I have the story right here, but it's in disorder. I don't know, beginning, the end, I don't know. Can you help me, please?
Yes.
Thank you. So here, for the timeline, I have the different words, which means at the start,
At the start,
then, after that,
after that,
in the end.
in the end.
I'm going to give you the story parts here.
Thank you.
So you can take a few seconds to look at it. Alright. Now, what's at the start?
At the start, Michael and Jenny are walking in the forest.
Very nice. Put it on the board. Then, what happens?
Then Jenny is feeling very scared.
Okay, put it. Thank you. After that.
After that, Michael is transforming into a werewolf.
Okay. And in the end?
In the end, Michael is attacking Jenny.
Okay. Very nice. Let's take a look at it. At the start, they are walking. Then Jenny is feeling very scared. After that, Michael is transforming. I think there's a little problem. Do you know where? She is feeling very scared. And then, after that, Michael is transforming.
It's
Okay, so it's then.
Michael is transforming into a werewolf.
Yes, very nice. Up, and you exchange the two, and ta-da! You have the timeline of the story. Good job!
Thank you.
Thank you. Simple game, very fast. You can make bigger stories if you want. Bye-bye!
Bye bye.